Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now, problem number 2. Find the LCM of the given expressions. Totally 6 subdivisions are there. Right? LCM means least common multiple. Before I get into this problem, you must be knowing some formulae. Note, these are the identities to be remembered. These identities you have learnt already in 9th standard. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Second one, a cube plus b cube. We have to apply this identity, a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Fourth one, a power 4 minus b power 4, that is equal to a square plus b squared into a squared minus b squared. This itself can be written as a square plus b squared as it is. A squared minus b squared, you can make use of this identity, a plus b into a minus b. So remember, whenever a square plus b squared, you have to write as it is. If it is a square minus b square, that is identity a plus b into a minus b. It's a very important identity. Next, a power 4 plus a squared b squared plus b power 4, that is equal to a squared minus ab plus b squared, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. These are the identities to be applied for finding that LCM in particular. Okay, can proceed. Even for GCD, sometimes we are applying this identities. Now we can get into that exercise 3.2, question number 2, subdivision number 1. Here is the question. The first one is 4x squared y, and second one is 8x cube y squared. 4x squared y, 8x cube y squared. Okay, it's a monomial because this expression is having only one term, correct? It is also monomial, 8x cube y squared is monomial, so only one term. In that case, we are not going to apply these identities and all. Very simple only. You take a 4 and 8. Take the LCM for 4 and 8. This method already I have learnt in the lower classes. 4 and 8 can be divided in 4 table, isn't it? Can go for 4 table. 1 time and 2 times. Then 1 and 2 can divide by 2 table, 1 time, 1 time. See, LCM for 4 and 8 is 4 into 2, have to multiply both. 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So now write LCM equals 4 and 8 alone. What is that LCM? 8. Then here we have x squared and we have x cube. X squared, x cube, which one is greater? X cube. Write that one. Y and y squared, which one is greater? Y squared. This is a LCM. Very simple. You have to write the highest power. X squared, x cube, highest one is x cube, right? X cube. Y squared, which one is highest? Y squared, right? Y squared. So first subdivision is over. Now second subdivision. Here is the question. Minus 9 a cube b squared and 12 a squared b squared c. 12 a squared b squared c. Now I take 9 and 12. 9 and 12 can divide by 3 table 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 and 4 I take 3 one time and 4 right as it is. Since we have 1 and 4 can go for 4. 1 1 4 ones are 4. The LCM equals for 9 and 12 only LCM 3 into 3 into 4. 3 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Listen carefully. LCM equals. First write this 36. Then here minus, even though there is no minus over here, that should be included. So that means minus 36. Next, a cube, a square. A cube, a square, which one is greater? A cube. Then b squared, b squared. So common only. So write b squared. Here C, even though there is no C at all, that should be included. That is the answer, LCM. So minus 36, a cube, b squared, C. Now third subdivision. Third subdivision. Question here it is. 16m minus 12m squared n squared 8n squared. Right, you take 16, 12 and 8. This is 12. Okay. 16, 12 and 8. Divide by, any common number can go for 2 table. Yes, 2 table 8 times, 6 times, 4 times. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again you can go for 2 table, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Since we have 2 and 4, you can go for 2 table, 2 2s are, 3 right as it is, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Since 3 is not divisible by 2, write 3 as it is. Then 2 we can divide by 2, how many times? 1 time. Now since we have 2, 3 and 1, we can go for 2. 1 time, 3 right as it is, 1. 2 ones are 2, 3 is not divisible, write 3 as it is, then 1 as it is. Finally we have 3, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Once you get all ones, you can write that LCM. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. LCM. Right, first 48. Then check the sign. Okay, this is plus, here minus, here plus. Even though double plus 1 minus, that minus should be included. So minus 48. Okay. Now m squared, there is no m over here. Even though there is no m, have to consider m square and m. Which one is greater? M square. Next you can go for the variable n. Here n square, here no n at all. N square both common, so write 1 n square. That is the LCM. So minus 48 m squared n squared. Okay. Now subdivision number 4. P squared minus 3p plus 2. P squared minus 3p plus 2 and p squared minus 4. It's a very important problem. Here this expression having 3 terms, p squared minus 3p plus 2. This is trinomial. Here double terms, p squared and minus 4. This is binomial. Bi means 2, tri means 3. In that case only, if it is possible, you can go for that identities. Before applying the identities, First, we can take common term. P square minus 3p plus 2, nothing common. P square minus 4, nothing common. So what to do, sir? Write p square minus 3p plus 2 first. It is a quadratic expression, correct? Because the degree of the polynomial is 2. If it is a quadratic expression, you have to go for factorization. Already you have learnt in 9th standard. What is the coefficient of p square? 1. 1 into 2. 1 into the constant. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. And the coefficient of p, that is equal to minus 3. Right? Minus 3. See, you have to say two numbers. Product of the two numbers equals 2. And sum of the same two numbers equals minus 3. For getting 2 in product, definitely you will be writing 2 and 1. Correct? 2 1s are 2. For getting minus 3 while adding, what to do, sir? Introduce minus for both the numbers. Now we can verify. Minus 2, minus 1. Add the two numbers. Minus 3. Correct. Multiply the two numbers. Minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. Correct, sir. We need the factors. Then only you can find the LCM. How to find the factors? In shortcut method. Listen carefully. What is the coefficient of p squared? 1. Write 1 in numerator for both the numbers. Then put into symbol. What variable we have? The variable we have is p, because this quadratic expression in terms of variable p. So into p. So how to write that expression? So how to write the factors? Listen. 1 into p minus 2. That is the first expression. That is the first factor. Second factor, 1 into p minus 1. P minus 1. In this way, you have to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Now, quadratic polynomial has been factorized into two linear factors. Because what is the degree of the polynomial? This is 1, it is also 1. So 1, if the degree is 1, we can say that is a linear. This is a linear factor, this is also a linear factor. Okay, first polynomial is factorized. Now I get into the second one. P squared minus 4. Listen carefully, p squared. Since we have the degree, we have the power 2, the 4 itself can be written as 2 square. Here power 2, here power 2, in between what sign? Here minus. And now look at the identity. Here 2, in between what sign? Minus. So definitely you have to apply this identity. I write this identity for your reference. A squared minus b squared, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to p plus 2 into p minus 2, correct? A squared instead of a, what is here? P. Instead of b, what is here? 2. A plus b into a minus b. So p plus 2 into p minus 2. Now we can write the LCM. Listen. Suppose you are asked to find the GCD, same procedure only. For GCD, very simple, you just write the common factors. Which one is common? P minus 2. That is GCD. That will be the answer for GCD. But here the question is LCM. After writing the common factor p minus 2, which one is common? P minus 2. Any other common factor? Here p minus 1, there is no p minus 1. Here p plus 2, there is no p plus 2 over here. So after taking the common factor p minus 2, what are the factors left out? We have p minus 1, we have p plus 2. That should be included. That is LCM. You can stop the answer at this stage, or else you can simplify. Very simple. How to simplify? Write that p minus 1 as it is. Particularly, you can join these two together. P minus 2 into p plus 2. Here it is, correct? P minus 2 p plus 2, p minus 2 p plus 2. This itself can be written as p squared minus 4. So these two factors together, p squared minus 4. If you feel it is very difficult to simplify, now you can stop at this stage. You will be given full mark, nothing to worry. So subdivision 4 over. So far in problem number 2, I have completed 4 subdivisions. I will be teaching the remaining 2 subdivisions in the next video. Thank you, children.